Let's start from name this area as point PT, and then we'll name this area as RE. Then select the row, spin here, copy to BT39, select only constant, and then find the point. We look up index of mod of sum. So 1 log by 19 and plus 1, column 1, then column 2 again, and this is just the score. So, and this is sum of 3 turns, so sum here. Then this one find the point from icon, so just we look up this on PT, column 2 here, and here let's see, go to sum and unique by column, then sum of unique power by count if. Okay, copy down and copy to the next level and copy this. I need another table, so just copy here. And then this one I need to change sum to sum if on the counter on top here. Lock thing here, and then G159 lock column, and this is so G159 column multiplied by 2 minus 1, then copy to all area, paste to all area here. And then this one, the score, I just copy to below table and copy to all. Then this is just sum if on the score, and the turn is equal to 1, and copy, wrong, copy down, done. Okay, let's check some score here for level 5 and level 4. This is like 10 billion. 3, 2, level 1. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.